shadows of the morning are crawling on my floor. When I just wanna lie here, nothing less, nothing more. There's raindrops on my window, and I'm going nowhere fast. Behind these closed eyes I visualize what will come and what is past. But mama, turn the light on. Mama, stir me from my sleep. I've been sleeping too long, I've been dreaming too long. I just wanna lie here, but I don't wanna die here. So I'm gonna take my best shot, shot out of bed into the dead. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. Awake or asleep. And so I say goodbye to the shadows as morning breaks to noon. Another day I'm living, another song I'm singing, and I know I've got nothing to lose, but my soul keeps shining. They say that I'm misguided, but I wanna make this move. I guess that you could say that I woke up with this melody in my head, shot out of bed 'cause I got something to prove. So when I say, mama, turn the light on, understand just what I mean. When I'm asleep I will dream, and when I wake you will see that even as I lie here, thinking where I'll be in 5 years, I know today is all I ever got. I know today will be my best shot. Sitting on the edge of my bed, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I found a little piece of homestead, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. It's clear to see I'm free, yeah, waiting by the river, waiting by the river. I'm chasing these dreams, awake or asleep. I realize that the world outside is just a metaphor for these eyes, and even if they out to criticize, I'll deny fear, I'll be right here. I realize that I'm waking up.
I can be your third man dog, just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now, set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no, I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means, I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around, and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. Wood in pieces inside you, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that.
This angle sucks. That's better. Okay. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another vlog. I haven't even talked to you guys yet today. I have been a very busy bee this morning, as you guys have seen. So I woke up at 8 a.m. As usual, I always set my alarm for 8 a.m. and right now it is 11:21 a.m. So you guys have seen everything I've done this morning. Woke up, skincare, got ready. I didn't even change it. I slept in this. Not even gonna lie. I'll change eventually, okay? Made breakfast and coffee, and then what I was just doing was a simulation for my entrepreneurship class. That's due tomorrow, but I wanted to do it today because I had some time and I spent about an hour and a half on that. I actually got #1 on the leaderboard for the simulation for the class, so like, not to brag. Anywho, welcome to today's vlog. I wanted to vlog today because today is going to be a very fun day, and I had to take you guys along with me because the energy is incredible, the vibes are incredible. I am so happy today, and I'll tell you why. So first of all, it is Wednesday right now. Happy Wednesday, people. On the agenda today, as you guys just saw, I did some homework. I have 2 classes today. One of them is at 12, so in about 40 minutes or so, and it's on Zoom, which is why I haven't changed out of what I wore to bed yet. But we'll get to that. And then I have another class that is in person this afternoon. So I actually have to go to school. One of my good friends is in this class, so it's okay because I love to see her. So you guys will probably see her later on in this vlog. I haven't had a friend in a vlog in a really long time, but I always tell them like, just letting you know I'm vlogging in case, like, just to make sure that they're comfortable. So she said that she was fine with it. So you guys will meet her. And then I am actually gonna go to Chipotle and grab dinner there, which is so exciting because Chipotle, hello. And my best friend is home right now from school. We want to meet up and have a little socially distanced outside Chipotle rendezvous, you know what I mean? And then, you guys, I am going to the hair salon. I made a very spontaneous appointment. I honestly did not think that she would be able to get me in as soon as she is. I literally texted her a couple days ago and she said that she could get me in today. I'll insert a picture of what hair color I'm going for. You might recognize it. Something similar because during quarantine, I actually dyed my hair with a box dye. It was like a temporary thing and I loved it. But because it was temporary, like it faded out, obviously, so I'm taking it upon myself to get it permanently dyed that color. And I'm doing it today. My hair has gotten super long lately and I like the length a lot, so I'm just going to have her trim the dead ends, you know what I mean? I haven't gotten my hair done in over a year. I'm just really excited about it. Today is just a really good day. So many positive vibes and I am just having a great time. And now it's 11:51. I have class. I'm gonna sign on in like 5-6 minutes or so. But I just wanted to start this vlog and get you guys updated. I am gonna go pee probably really quick and then log on to Zoom and sit in my class. It is about an hour later. I just picked out an outfit and changed. So I'm actually not wearing what I wore to bed to school. I am about to head there because I'm gonna meet my friend at Starbucks and get some coffee before class. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick. My earrings that I'm wearing are from Jennifer Fisher. This black just t-shirt I thrifted. I'm wearing this little cropped cardigan. This is from Urban Outfitters. My backpack is from Herschel, if you didn't know. These jeans are from Madewell. I actually thrifted them, which is incredible. They're literally like my favorite pair of jeans. They're so comfortable. This belt that I'm wearing is from Target. And then I just have on these black booties, giving me fall vibes. So I'm really excited. It's really nice out right now. I think it's like 66 or 67 degrees. I love that weather. It's my favorite weather and it's sunny. So I am gonna head off to school, go to Starbucks, then go to class, then get dinner, then go to the hair salon. It's so freaking nice out right now. I love this weather. This is going to get stuck on my earrings, but that's okay. There's a fucking hair in my mouth. Ew.
I'll be a story in my shadow. And now I'm 23. There's 3 at your table.
Hi everybody, I don't know what this looks like right now. I just got out of the hair salon and my hair, I am so beyond in love with it. I got like an ashy brown. I'm so excited. This is exactly what I wanted. It is now 8:24 p.m. So I was there for almost 3 hours. Yeah, I feel like I look disgusting. I feel like my concealer is very crusty and I'm just like really tired because at this point I typically already have my contacts out and everything and I'm like in my pajamas. So we are going to go home and I'll probably see you guys when I get there. I don't know. Or I'll see you tomorrow morning knowing how I usually am with vlog. We'll see. Okay, bye. Yes, everyone, the rumors are true. I dyed my hair. Oh my god, it looks so good on camera. I need to stop being dramatic. It has been a couple of days. Well, actually, I got my hair done on Wednesday of last week and now it is Monday. So it's been a few days since I've last talked to you guys. I still really freaking like my hair. I washed it for the first time since getting it dyed yesterday because I read on the internet that you're supposed to wait 72 hours from when your hair gets dyed, but I got mine Wednesday night, so I just waited an extra day. So I actually waited 84 hours to wash my hair. I'm literally doing the most to try and prevent fading as much as possible. I know that it's pretty much inevitable, but I am literally doing the most to try and make my hair care routine the best that it can be for color treated hair pretty much because I'm so passionate about this color. It's not even funny. Like I actually feel like this is my true form. This is the color I was meant to be. I just feel like that's just what this makes me feel like. I don't know. I just feel really good about it. It makes me feel so confident and happy. So I'm really glad that I did this. And so I wanted to sit here and I wanted to show you guys kind of my updated hair care routine for how I am taking care of my color treated hair now. So I actually have a bag of products that I want to show you. So we're gonna begin. First and foremost, I bought this. Okay, so I asked my hairdresser when I was there last week, like, what do you recommend for helping my hair color to stay longer, to stay fresh? And I mean, I did get permanent dye, but it just always fades out of my hair. I was like, you know what, this time I'm really going to put some serious effort into maintaining it, you know what I mean? So, and she told me that I should get a water filter for my shower. I ended up doing that because my water where I live is very hard, which is not good for your hair. This is just the box. I already had this installed in my shower. It was very quick. It took my dad like all of 5 minutes to put this in. This is the shower water filter that I got. I just got this off of Amazon. I will link all these products that I'm talking about right now down below if you guys want to check them out. This is not spons, but this is just what I've been using. This is pretty much supposed to help you purify your water. That was step one. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this, you guys. I ordered this shower cap on Amazon. I do not wash my hair every day. At the very most, I will wash it every other day, but I've been trying to go 2 days and maybe even 3 without washing it because the less you wash it, the longer it would take it to fade, theoretically. On the days that I don't wash my hair, I just take a body shower, so I throw my hair up and try not to get it wet, but it still gets wet sometimes. So I decided to get a shower cap, which like, it's never been that deep. Like shower caps have been around since the dawn of time, but I really liked this one. So I got this one. It's actually by the brand Kitsch. Oh my god, this is iconic. I'm really not playing here. On the days that I don't wash my hair in the shower, dry shampoo. Best friend. This is the one that I have always used. It's my favorite one. It's the Batiste. This is the original one. I've tried many dry shampoos and I don't know, like I just think that this one works the best for me personally. I know everyone is different, hair types are different and stuff. It's important to find the one that works for you, but dry shampoo is so important, especially I'm acting like I'm a hairdresser. Okay, I should have put this disclaimer in at the beginning, but I am not a professional. I have just been doing a lot of searching on the internet since I got my hair done. Pretty much everybody says do not wash your hair every day, use dry shampoo to freshen it up in between washes. The last things I want to show you are the products that I actually use when I wash my hair. One of these products I've been using for a really long time, and then the other two I just bought today at Target. So this is the shampoo that I got. My shampoo that I was using was the same brand as this. It was another one of the Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoos, and it was the coconut milk one. But another thing that my hairdresser said when I asked her for tips on how to keep your color fresh is to make sure that your shampoo and your conditioner and pretty much everything that you're using does not have sulfates. That is precisely what I set out to do. And also when I was doing my Google research, like I was just talking about, the main two things that you want to avoid according to the internet, not according to me, are sulfates and parabens. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo. It is the Potent Aloe and Bamboo Real Botanicals 0% parabens and colorants, cruelty-free, pH balanced, and color safe. I really like this brand, so I am looking forward to trying this out. The interesting thing that I have found when I was trying to find good shampoos to buy for color treated hair is that some of the shampoos that say they're color safe or are specifically marketed towards color treated hair have sulfates in them. So I'm like,
that's suspicious. That's weird.
Ingredients don't lie, bitch.
anywho, so this is the shampoo, and then this is the conditioner that I just got. This one is sulfate free as well. The reason that I got this is because the conditioner that I was using previously, it's another one that said it was safe for color treated hair. However, it contains sulfates. So I said, no, I'm not taking any chances here. So I just got this one. That is my shampoo and conditioner duo at the moment. And then once I get out of the shower, I spray this on my hair. So this is just the It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. I have been using this literally for years. Since I was in high school, I've been using this. My hair has grown. I'm not gonna sit here and say that this is the reason my hair has grown. I've also been washing it way less, which contributes to it growing, but my hair grew so much like once I started using this again in the past like several months. So it's good for dry, damaged hair. It adds shine, detangles, controls frizz, seals and protects hair color. Hello. Helps prevent split ends, inhibits hair breakage, creates silkiness, enhances natural body, and it also can be used as a flat iron spray and thermal protection. So that is pretty much my hair care routine. I just wanted to talk about that for a second because I was doing a lot of research earlier today and reading up on how to take care of my hair the best and how to preserve my color the best. So I wanted to run through that with you guys. And I've also had some people asking before about my hair care routine, and I don't think I've ever actually talked about it, but now that my hair is colored, I put more effort into it and I pay more attention to it. So that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday. And if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified exactly when I post a new video, make sure to turn on my post notifications for my channel. It is the little bell icon so that you can get notified right when I post a new video. Yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.